Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to check your account standing on Discord with the latest update. It's a great way to keep track of your account status and stay informed. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and head to your account home. Next, look for the gear icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon represents user settings. Go ahead and click on it to access a range of customizable options for your Discord account. Once you're in the user settings menu, scroll down the left sidebar until you find the Privacy and Safety tab. Click on it to enter the privacy settings. Here, you can manage everything from message requests to data settings, ensuring a secure experience on the platform. Now, here's the important part. Inside the Privacy and Safety section, you'll see various options related to your account's safety and privacy preferences. Look for the Standing section. Clicking on this will take you to your account standing details. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily check your account standing on Discord. Knowing your status is key in maintaining a respectful and safe community for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.